Hi, my name is Dave Baker. I work for LVT. I'm a senior product manager. Just wanted to give you kind of an overview of what LVT does. Really, I think to simplify it, it's a mobile surveillance unit that allows us to deploy surveillance and intelligent video analytics in areas where the only two requirements that we have are cellular and sunlight. We can deploy surveillance anywhere. One of the benefits with having a mobile structure is that we can provide unique views for analytics. So we can provide intelligent notifications around the presence of a person or a vehicle. We can do advanced loitering detection with that. We can respond live from an automated audible alarm that can say, please leave the property. We can randomize that alarm. So even if they come back, it can be a different voice if we want it to be. We can set those audible alarms on a schedule where it can be time looped, or we can even do live talk down even with our application. You can email, send push notifications of an alarm, and everything we're doing through our own proprietary cellular network. It's segregated just for our trailers traffic. So the cloud architecture for our VMS interacts and is built for that network and only that network. And so the only way to get to the video, the only way to view the video is through our cloud services. So even if, heaven forbid, a hard drive was stolen from our head unit up top, it's encrypted. The only way to access that data is to actually go through our cloud services.